does one call you? What should I be calling you?
You can call me Jennifer.
Right.
Hey everyone, it is Dolla Docta Jennifer, and today we have a collab video, a Jennifer collab with Thrift Generation. She's another reseller, does a lot of unboxings and thrift hauls and what sold videos as well. She's actually also in North Carolina, so she's on one side of the state kind of, and I'm on the other almost. But we both got a Goodwill Bluebox. So, as per usual, they always come from Lake Worth, Florida. It's the thrifty apparel box, which is 10 pieces, and it costs with shipping and taxes $21.43. So if there's 10 pieces, that's about $2.15 a piece, which isn't bad buy-in cost. Most of mine I end up getting more than 10 pieces, which I will say I did for this box. I looked already, sorry Jennifer. So we are gonna go through what I got in this box, and definitely check out the other Jennifer's video as well. The link will be down below, and let me know in the comments who got the better box. I'm not mad at my box. I've gotten better, but I've also gotten worse from thredUP. Sorry, I'm gonna throw that shade as per usual. Let's get into it, and thank you, Jennifer, for, I guess technically I enabled you to buy this box because I was the one that messaged you on Instagram about it. But thanks for enabling me as well, because it gave me an excuse to buy one. So we're gonna start off with some small stuff that was just at the top. This is Bozolo, I think is the brand name. And it's a size large. And it is new with tags. And it has an extra button. And it's just a cute little crop bandeau type shirt top. I don't know what you call it. Really pretty lace bottom and buttons, little button details. Nothing super crazy. I didn't price it super high on Poshmark, but I have listed this already. And then I also listed this already. It looks like this is like from someone's Etsy type shop. I didn't open this because it does look like it's new in bag. Looks like it's flower sew. I don't know. But it is, I tried to check out her information, but it doesn't look like a lot of it is available anymore. It is a cloth face mask, and it is for the New York Yankees. So I have listed this already. I did list this under men's in Poshmark because I feel like that's probably where it would sell the best. I don't know. I know a lot of people aren't getting face masks anymore and stuff, but like I still have to wear one some places I work. So I did post that for sale because there are some people that still have to wear them. This is a lot of grommets. You can see on the sleeves. This is actually Joe's, which I was surprised. It's Joe's collection, like Joe's jeans. I've never seen stuff other than jeans before, but I will throw in some comps if I find them. Someone wanted to say hello. 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 Cat snuggle time over. Anyway, so it's like a sweatshirt, a gray sweatshirt with these interesting grommet details all over the sleeves. Otherwise, it's just kind of a plain sweatshirt. So, I don't know. I'll have to look this up and see what it could be worth. Next is Coral Bay, size large. Not something I would normally pick up, but it's kind of cute. It's a little summery type, polo type shirt, rolled up sleeve. But I do like it is a butterfly all over print. So that's cute. So I think that will definitely help sell that, the print. This is Rose and Olive, size 1X. And it's a really cute little boho tunic tank top. And it actually has like a little slit in the back. So comfy, flowy, great for summer. This is, I forget. Oh, this is just Shein. And it's a size medium. And it's just a long, I don't know. I thought it was just like a tunic top, but it might be a dress because it does have pockets. But that would be a very, very short dress, I feel like. But maybe I'll put it on the mannequin and we'll see what it looks like. This is Arrow, size medium, men's. And it's a really nice, thick, like sweater, wet sweatshirt, sweater, orangish color. The inside is like a really soft, warm feeling. Honestly, if it was my size, I might keep it because it feels really comfortable. It's a very thick material. Let's see. It's 60% cotton, 40% polyester. Made in Kenya. It's from 2014, but it's pretty basic, so I think that doesn't really matter. Dana Buckman, size large. I am selling one of these. It's actually from my own closet. It's a tank top. This is a kind of really flowy, semi-sheer, high-low button-up blouse. I think all the buttons are there. It's got an extra button. It's really pretty though. It'd be great for like work or layering, going out. We'll see how that does. I'm not sure. This is, I've never heard of this. It's Coca? I don't know. Size small? Yeah. It's a really pretty dress though. It's just like a little A-line. It's a light blue and then it has like a stripe around the bottom. It is fully lined, I think. Yeah, it's fully lined. And is there any other information? I feel like there wasn't. Oh, just kidding. So it's 100% polyester. I don't know. I have to look up this brand. I've never heard of it before. So we'll see. We will see what that is. But it's a really cute dress. It's very, it kind of gives me a little bit of sailor vibes. It's got a zipper up the back. And again, just a really cute basic. I could definitely see someone wearing that to work with like a little blazer on. Some more prints. This is just Style & Co. size 12. But it's like a brown, let's see, brown, like tropical palm tree-ish fern type print to it. It does look like sleeves may roll up. And there's a button, but the button is loose. 100% cotton. Yeah, both sides, it looks like the button is a little bit loose for the roll-up part. So I'll just have to disclose that. Because I'm probably not going to fix it. Let me make sure all the other buttons are there. Yep, all the other buttons seem to be there. I don't know, it's cute. It's a cute like print. and it probably won't go for a ton, but I think it is sellable. This is another substantial piece. This is basic H&M, size small. It's a very thick material, but it's a cute little like midi bodycon type very stretchy striped dress. And I think it's just a pullover. I don't think there's a zipper or anything. It looks to be in really good condition. Oh, I've got a lot of dresses now that I'm gonna have to list. So this I think is vintage. I'm not 100% though, but it is Banana Republic, size medium. And it looks men's to me. I'm probably gonna list it in men's. It's like a track jacket, zip up track jacket, green and white. But the label, as you can see, did not look like anything from recent. It's a nylon cotton polyester blend. Oh yeah, so it is from spring of 05. So that's on the edge of vintage. So that's definitely an older Banana Republic piece. It's kind of cool though. I think this is kind of the vibe this is definitely like Y2K vibes for me. So yeah. So this is the last item. And this is just H&M regular fit, size large. And it's kind of boring. It's like a beige sweatshirt. What I might do with this, because it is 100% cotton, I might do a bleached and reverse tie-dye on it. We'll see. I'll have to I don't think comps are going to be super high for this just as it is, because H&M usually doesn't have the super high comps, but you never know. I'll look it up first, since it is like a H&M regular. It has like more information on the tag, and we'll see what happens. But this might be a bleach dye and then reverse tie-dye in color. So if there's any colors you guys want to see, comment below and we'll see what we can do. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So 13 items total, not bad. I definitely will make my money back. Even if I have to take a couple things to buy, sell, trade, my cost was definitely lower than $2. It was about $1.62 an item, so that's not bad. And if there's anything you're interested in, definitely hit me up on Instagram or email me below. And thank you, Jennifer, for doing this Jennifer collab with me. It's been nice chatting with you lately, and maybe you come over to my side, or I'm gonna come over to your side at some point. I do want to go to the beach, so we'll see what happens. As always, guys, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day. And definitely go check out her video as well, and let us know who won Fatality. As always, remember to help control the pet population and have your pets spayed or neutered. Bye, guys.